a slidey. Hey YouTube, how's it going? Buster here. So, bike's going for its first MOT. Just take my time because I've just come out of the petrol station and my feet are slidey. So, not the ideal conditions for going to do your get your MOT done. So yeah, it's first MOT. See how that goes. So as I say, I'm not going to Victor Devine. I'm going to North Harbour. I'm due to be there at 9 o'clock, so I'm about half an hour away, but I want to take my time. I can normally do it from my house to North Harbour. I can do it in about 25 minutes, but due to the fact that it's still quite icy, yeah, I don't want to hammer it. Oh, fun and games. I was going to go down all the way down the Hurlford Road and go right across the motorway, but I really can't be bothered. I hate that road. So yeah, fun and games. I don't think it only needs anything for this MOT. I definitely know it needs a new chain sprocket, but I was kind of trying to hold that off until the summer and try and get at least one more season out the chain sprocket. I don't remember what way to turn. I think it's this one. Is it the next one? Oh, it's the next one. That's the next one. Oh, it's no. I was right, it was the other one. It was that one. Well, I'm a bit early as always. So this is North Harbour. Oh, it's a bit of a small shop compared to Victor Divine. The YouTube has gone, that's it, bike passed. As I thought, it was, I've got an advisory on my chain, but I kind of knew that anyway. Guy said I'll get about another 1,000 mile with it or something, another couple of 1,000 mile. But it kind of works out right, okay, because it means I can get the winter out the way and then get a new chain and sprocket for when the summer season starts. So I'm going to look into changing sprockets because I don't know if I want to go for the original OEM one or not, or well, chains probably, the sprockets I'll go with the OEM Honda one, but chain I'm not too sure yet if I want to go with the one that Honda recommends or go with another one that's kind of suited for doing kind of off-road. Fingers are kind of numb. That's with heated grips on as well. So yeah, that's the kind of, well, they were asking me about these nuts here. They went, why exactly that? Because that's for the original handguards that are plastic. That's what they are. That's why that's got a wee bit of a gap there, because that's where the original handguards click into. Obviously I've changed it for park busters, which if you're going to go off-road I would advise getting them, or getting levers that fold away. That's these fold away. I've got double protection on my levers. I've got the bark busters to protect my levers, and I've also got fold away levers as well. Double bubble. I just wish it wasn't that cold. I just wish it wasn't that cold, because I'd go and pick up the wee man on the bike tonight, but if it's this cold just now, it'll be fucking freezing come 9 o'clock. So yeah, I don't want to go and pick him up, but if it was summer I would definitely just stick all his gear in the panniers, which I'm going to have to do. I'm going to put my pannier cage back on soon. The good thing is I've not took off the plate for the top box, so I can still fit that if I really want to. Right, YouTube, that's it. Big Jocks had his MOT and he's all sorted for the next year. Hope you're all good, stay rubber side down, and remember, take life 1 mile at a time.